So next stop is Cascade Putting Course, which is like a mini golf. So 18 holes है. अच्छा ये देख लो 67 is the par score. Okay. नीचे से. Okay.
Okay.
Cut. Remember.
Guys,
100.
all right. Does everybody have one?
Yeah.
Perfect. Naked?
Yeah.
Alrighty. So just a couple rolls before we get going.
Yeah.
So maximum 6 shots per hole. If you guys have had 6 shots, just please pick up your ball, move on to the next hole. Once you guys get up into the rock section up there, please don't be playing on the rocks. We don't want you guys to fall and hurt yourselves. If you guys lose your golf ball but can safely grab it and put it back into play, please do that. If not, come talk to myself and my friend Aaron. We'll get you another one. Please no airborne shots or slap shots. All you need is a light tap. Other than that, hole number 1's right there. Hole number 2's got.
खेलो.
1, 2.
ओए नहीं ये नहीं करो. टच तो करना है. Oh, nice one. Nice. All right, Testa. तेरा गया उसके अंदर, मट्टी के अंदर. चल. अरे. चलो. Aruna, next chance is yours. Oh! Go.
Unless you wanted to go to.
Missed. Aruna, your last chance. सब लोग का एक last chance. Oh my God! Dude! Yeah. Whoa! Oh! क्या? ये तो हम लोग का 3-3-3 मतलब 3 गेम्स हमने ईच जीता था. 9th होल था एंड लकीली मेरा एक होल इन वन हो गया तो आई वन. ये ओके. मैग्नोज इटालियन किचन. इसकी रेटिंग काफ़ी अच्छी 4.5 स्टार्स मिल रहे हैं. सो वी आर होपिंग द फूड विल बी गुड. लेट्स सी इफ इट्स ओपन नाउ. इट शुड बी ओपन.
To add sugar on top, like sugar syrup add करना.
syrups में तो होता है. ये क्या alcohol free coffee? It's non-alcoholic drink, non-alcoholic tequila, non-alcoholic.
Yeah, I just heard him. How we doing over here?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Want a couple minutes?
Yes.
Rigatoni, which one is it?
Rigatoni
Goal
is
one,
the long ones. Long gola.
Goal
Like
one.
penne ka long version. The cylinder.
Cylinder, हाँ, that I remember.
Yep.
Yeah, I died for
Yep.
Exactly 4.
He actually said he
Okay. Oh, lovely. Chalo, bhai. Let's see how is this. Cheers, cheers.
It is soft.
तुझे ऑलिव्स पसंद है?
एक्चुअली ठंडा हो गया.
ठंडा हो गया. टेस्ट कर रहा
ओके ओके.
बेसिल है ये.
ये बेसिल है, ये अरगुला.
कोई लाइन नहीं है.
है ना?
तो है.
चलो. तो अभी बज रहे 4:45 और ये रहा नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी ऑफ द डे. ये बोट्स.
Alright.
Thank you.
And you guys will get your life jackets at
Yep,
that
sure.
table in there.
तो अभी हम इस लाइन में आ गए हैं. यहाँ से हमको मिलेगा लाइफ जैकेट. बारी बारी आ गई. जैसे चक 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 आवाज़ आ रहा है.
Okay, if anything falls in the water, it's gone for good. You are number 2, and you have 50.
लाइट है. इसमें तो कोई वो नहीं है. Yeah. That's the view.
We're just chilling. No pedaling.
ये यहाँ पे एक ब्लू लिखा सिंबल है जिस पे पूरी जनता आके एक फ़ोटो तो खींचती है. हमने ऑलरेडी कर लिया है. नॉट टू ब्लेम अदर्स, बट हमने तब ब्लॉग नहीं लिया. बट या एज यू कैन सी द व्यू इज़ आउटस्टैंडिंग फ्रॉम हियर.
We're at the Blue Mountain.
Yeah, and so now we are going towards the relaxing trip of our itinerary today, which is towards Blue Mountain का एक खुद का मतलब इसी village का एक private beach है. So if you get the all day pass, you can use that to access the beach. तो हम भी वहाँ नहीं गए पहले, तो भी अभी हमारा first time है. यहाँ से it's about a 10-minute drive, 9 kilometers. I don't think walk तो किया नहीं जा सकता, आपको गाड़ी लेके ही जाना है. तो माई होप इज़ दैट वहाँ पे पार्किंग हो गाड़ी के लिए, एंड रेस्ट विल फिगर आउट ओवर देयर. के बाद एक ये राइड वो राइड ये फलाना बनाऊंगा.
But we did everything like
Yeah.
in good amount of time.
बीच और ये यहाँ पे she will check our thing ना. So this is the private beach of Blue Mountain, and I think it's hands down the most beautiful beach so far we have seen in Ontario. इतना सुंदर white sand, waves are just exquisite if you see there. Plus यहाँ पे like you get all these beach chairs and there is changing room. यहाँ पे एक store जैसा है. और मेन चीज़ क्योंकि ये प्राइवेट बीच है, सिर्फ जिन्होंने पासेस लिए उनके एक्सेस है, तो भीड़ कम है. एंड बहुत ही सुंदर. तो वी आर वॉकिंग टूवर्ड्स फाइंडिंग ए स्पॉट जहाँ बैठेंगे. तिस्ता और अरुणा ऑलरेडी आई थिंक दे हैव सेलेक्टेड अ सीट. देयर यू कैन सी देम. दोज आर द बेंचेस दे हैव डिसाइडेड. हज़ारों फ़ोटोज़ लेने के बाद अब हम लोग फाइनली बैठ रहे हैं कुछ देर के लिए.
वाले वैसे बट बहुत खूबसूरत there's also very Hindu influence and Buddhist influence, so we went to lot of temples because we were there for 3 days and we had every day we had a massage.
It has to be. Spa is your favorite.
I know. So for like we went to Phnom Penh, which is the capital, and we were there only for one night, and we like already booked everything, so we had like a body scrub and everything. The next day when we went to Angkor Wat and every place, so that's a different city, so we took a 4-hour bus, and the hotel we stayed in, they also had a massage which was complimentary with their hotel, so anybody who books it, they yes.
इन अ वे फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस था, तो ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छा ट्रिप था. और उसमें भी एक बेसिकली ट्रिप कैसे बना कि एक मॉनेस्ट्री है, की मॉनेस्ट्री करके वहाँ पे, तो चारों तरफ ऐसे बड़े बड़े हिमालय के हिल्स हैं विच इज़ डेजर्ट. स्पीति तो पूरा डेजर्ट लैंड है. और फिर एक वैली है, और वैली के बीचों बीच एक पहाड़ है. उस पहाड़ के ऊपर की मॉनेस्ट्री है और कुछ नहीं है, मतलब कम से कम 500 किलोमीटर रेडियस में और कुछ नहीं है, बस बीच में पहाड़. की मॉनेस्ट्री में कुछ 500 से 1000 monks रहते हैं. तो आई हैड सीन दैट फोटो समवेयर ऑन द इंटरनेट. इट वाज ऑन माय वॉलपेपर फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. तो जब ये प्लान बना फ्रेंड्स के साथ कि स्पीति मैंने कहीं चले घूमने के लिए, तो आई वाज लाइक आई सजेस्टेड कि यार ये मॉनेस्ट्री देखना है, ये कहाँ है. आई डिडंट नो ओनली व्हाट इज स्पीति. And then one thing led to the next, to which I came to know that Spiti is the place. And then we decided, and वो 4 days का पूरा itinerary था, तो it was most magical holiday life का for sure. मैंने जितने भी, अगर मैं top 5 holidays बोलूँगा, सारी top 5 holidays will be nothing to do with mankind's presence. मतलब सारे ही nature based beauty.
One of my favorite days, like I had one day off. I was working for 2 weeks in Paris. I had one Sunday off, and I just walked from top of Champs-Élysées, from Arc de Triomphe to just walk the whole day. Yes. So I had coffee and croissant, and I started, and I just walked. I did not buy a single thing. I don't shop. You know, I don't like shopping. I just saw the museum, all the lovely like sculptures that they have. Just reached Seine and just walked. It was just like the calmest I felt ever, even in the bheed of all things in Paris on a Sunday, and had like sat in one cafe and had a glass of wine, had the best salmon ever I've had. Like I still remember the rice and salmon cut taste. It's just like, it's just one walk, and it's such a huge road also. It took, I reached back hotel at around like 9:30 after like one wine and salmon and everything, and next day I had to work again, so I just had one day off. And that just, so it's also like I travel a lot alone now, so I love being like, just, also I don't like being on anybody else's timetable. So my thing about alone is like I would do at my own pace. अगर मुझे नहीं जाना है, जैसे अभी मैं लिस्बन गई थी ना, I loved Lisbon. You should go to Lisbon once. It's so beautiful, and I just walked. ये वाला देख के, वो देख के, it's so many monuments in just a square. Took the yellow the train tram, all that. Went to there was a whole, I know we should not have, as Canadians, we should not have fascination with weed, but there's a whole alley which is just a weed alley, it's called. So went there. It's just walked everywhere. Took the bus. Happy days. I like cities. I have no issues with cities, and also when I'm alone, I can be alone anywhere. I don't really. People are the least important part of. उड़ा रहा है?
अभी ये बताओ कि जितने हॉलीडेज किए
Yeah.
उसमें सबसे
Worst experience
worst
क्या था?
experience, but which is funny and light. Yet worst.
Worst
वो
तो
experience.
you've heard अजमेर वाला तो story, no? प्रियम वाला, no? Worst, oh my god.
पूरा बताना, थोड़ा context भी देना.
बहुत कड़ा. Okay, so we were in Mackenzie. So we were like 22, 21 or 22. That, yeah. Okay.
Which year?
You don't age me on your
Not
vlog.
aging, but running. Nobody is doing maths. Calculators down. Okay.
So 20, I think 9, no, 9 I left, 9 or 10 is it? 9 में होगा most likely. 8 or 9, I don't remember. So.
Then
So we Mackenzie took us for a 3-day thing to Jaipur. Okay, so we had like a whole retreat sort of a thing.
अच्छा, vacation, not an event or something.
No, I'm telling you, no, it's like a 3-day, not a vacation. It's a retreat where you get to do a lot of, group team building exercises and all that bullshit. So
आपने favorite word नहीं बोला, all that jazz.
all that jazz. No, all that jazz. But yeah, I like jazz. That I was. So yeah, I think it was 3-day or 2-day. I don't remember. So one night, Priyam, because obviously Priyam has friends everywhere. So Priyam's friend had come, and he was like, we were supposed to leave that night, and we did not leave with the group. Like everybody took the Shatabdi back to Gurgaon. We did not leave. So so the guy was like, we'll take you to see all the Jaipur. And apparently this guy is like because Priyam, so some prince of somewhere, okay, Rajasthan mein, yeah, royal family. So बहुत like khamba ghani, like there's a lot of treatment also we got. So we did a lot of things. We saw Birla Mandir and Ram Mandir. Now Ram Mandir is a theatre in Jaipur. So we did a lot of Jaipur sightseeing. We were supposed to go to Ajmer. Okay, we had a booking in Ajmer. So because he had come, so we spent a lot of time in Jaipur and we went to Chowki Dhani. So we got very late. And the guy was like, तुम 2 लड़कियां अकेले कैसे जाओगी अजमेर? So he came with us. He's like कि मैं छोड़ देता हूँ. So he came with us in the bus.
Never was with you the whole day.
No, we were just in the evening. So this guy and his friends, like bunch of 3-4 guy ladke और हम 2 लड़कियां, because obviously, and we took a Firang also with us who was in Mackenzie retreat में. So we did the Jaipur thing, but Ajmer only we two were supposed to go. But the guy was like कि तुम दोनों अकेले नहीं जाओगे. So he came with us, and then the hotel we went to was closed. It was like in the middle, like a little outside Ajmer. And closed as in nobody was there. There's no light. There's no like हम घंटी बजा रहे हैं. No, nothing. So वो ऑटो वाला, हमने कहा ऑटो वाले को जाने नहीं दिया कि रुको, because we couldn't see, and हम घंटी बजा रहे. We stood there for 15-20 minutes and nobody opened up. Nobody's picking up the call, anything. So then he was like, हमने कहा कि हमें किसी और होटल छोड़ दो. फिर then he took us to 5-star. And we were Mackenzie में कितने इतना तो कोई पैसा दे नहीं रहा था हमें. So we were like, we cannot afford this. So he's like, okay, he took us to another. which was the shadiest place I've ever seen.
से वो सीधा
हाँ,
-5
exactly. It's a guest house sort of a thing, and literally the first room they took us to had mirrors on the wall, like the side. If I tell my dad all these things, they were literally mirrors on the wall because they were like कि दो लड़के और एक लड़का है, and they couldn't say कि एक और कोई और आने वाला है, कोई और आने वाला है, अरे नहीं आने वाला है यार, दिमाग ना चाटो हमारा. So we were very desperate at that time. So हमने कहा हम ये शीशे वाले रूम में नहीं रहेंगे, हमें एक ढंग का कमरा चाहिए. So we stayed there, and we went to Ajmer Sharif and we went to Pushkar. When I came back, I called the guy, and the guy was like, मुझे कहा तुम I blasted him. Not blasted, like होटल वाला. और मैं तो अपनी दिल्ली पे उतर आती हूँ तो बहुत गालियाँ निकलती है, तो लिटरली, और वो कह रहे कैसी लड़कियाँ ऐसे रात को 11 बजे आती हैं, और I just lost it. I was like तुम्हारी औकात क्या, literally I went Delhi, exactly, so I went Delhi on it completely. ये सब over the phone हुआ. मैंने कहा 2000 रुपए की क्या धौस जमाने लगे थे, तेरे पास a lot of expletives were said, and Priya was just sitting next to me and listening to it, all of it, because वो तो किसी पे नहीं चीखती है. So वो पैसे हमारे डूब गए, जो भी गए उसने वापस नहीं किए.
तुम्हारी गलती थी, तुम लेट
हाँ, कि 11 बजे कौन आता है, टाइम पे आना चाहिए एंड ऑल दैट. और हमने बुक वैसे ही किया था, पर हम लोग क्योंकि जयपुर घूम रहे थे तो we couldn't, so that was just a harrowing experience. And if the guy wasn't there, I don't know how we would have managed, but the guy came with us to Ajmer Sharif and everything. No, this guy was the Priyam's friend. So yeah, very helpful. But yeah, that event, that I would never ever forget that, Ajmer. Yeah.
तो अब बज रहे हैं अराउंड 7 o'clock, एंड सनसेट तक वेट करने का फ़ायदा नहीं है बिकॉज सन एनीवेज पानी की साइड नहीं सेट कर रहा, पीछे हिल साइड सेट कर रहा है. बीच भी पूरा खाली हो चुका है एज यू कैन सी. सो वी आर नाउ हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स द कार, एंड देन वहाँ से इट विल बी अबाउट वही 1 hour 40 if there is no traffic, yeah, about 1 hour 40 minute drive back to our house. And then the week continues from tomorrow, the usual busy work week. So this was an amazing day. जो भी Blue Mountain आ रहा है, हाँ definitely summers के लिए भी it is an amazing destination. Winters के लिए तो खैर है ही वो famous ski के लिए, but summers के लिए it is a beautiful destination. Lot of activities to do. वो all day pass ज़रूर लेना because उसके साथ आप ये सारी activities को enjoy कर सकते हैं. Total पैसा वसूल है. You get to see a lot of things. सब गाड़ी में लोड हो जाते हैं अब. Simply cannot get enough of this view. So serene, so calm. All right, तो यहाँ पे हमारा amazing eventful day
Yes.
finally end होता है.
was
How was the experience quickly in two lines?
Amazing, beautiful trip, and I loved the company of Aruna and her million stories.
Yes, it became a million times more memorable because of Aruna.
Oh my god, I'm getting such special treatment.
Yes.
I am the blabbermouth and everybody knows I am the talker.
At least हमारे व्लॉग में कुछ कंटेंट तो आएगा इन someone talks. वरना हमारे व्लॉग में हाफ एन आवर के व्लॉग में 5 मिनट्स का बात होता है, 25 मिनट्स का म्यूजिक होता है. तो इस बार एटलीस्ट उल्टा होगा, काफी कुछ रहेगा कहने के लिए.
Yes, and thank you for bringing me along.
Wow,
And
ये तो
I will be
formality
your
हो गया.
photographer next time as well, but I will ask for commission.
Yay. All right, that ends the vlog here. See you next time. Bye bye.